The clan of hyenas is more powerful, even they can beat the lion, but here is some different case against the ostrich. The ostriches can run with the speed up to 70 kilometers per hour. But another thing interesting about the ostrich is that they have largest eyes from animals living on the earth. The eggs of the ostriches are largest from the other birds living on the earth. The actual challenge for this ostrich begins here, because it has to defend its chicks that are came up recently from the eggs. Now it has to defend the chicks from the animals like hyenas. If the clan of hyenas attack on the chicks of ostrich, it can attack easily. But mother is here. It can defend the chicks easily with its speed and the heavier weight. The ostriches spread its feather while running because it balances its heavier weight.